Hi there, our names are Anna,
Kelly,
Savannah,
and Megan.
Today we're going to be making egg muffins, which is a quick and easy recipe you guys can make at home.
we really like this egg muffin recipe because it's a great way to fuel our bodies.
It contains a lot of beneficial vitamins and nutrients. It also includes carbohydrates, which are our body's favorite source of energy.
It's also a great source of protein. Protein helps us form our muscles and also helps us grow.
First, we're going to start with quinoa. Quinoa is a carbohydrate and it's a good source of energy. It's also a good source of protein. We're going to start by lining the bottom of our cupcake liners with quinoa. We cooked our quinoa 10 minutes in the microwave, but you can also cook it on the stovetop. We just did that for time purposes.
Now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. First, we're going to start by adding a little bit of shredded cheese to each of the cupcake liners.
Next, we're going to add our spinach to each cup. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that contains a lot of beneficial vitamins and nutrients, such as calcium and vitamin C.
Next, we're going to be whisking 7 eggs together with 2 tablespoons of milk and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. We have these things pre-measured out here, but first I'm going to be showing you how to properly crack an egg. So instead of cracking your egg directly into the bowl that you're going to be mixing everything in, it's best to take a separate bowl. We have a small ramekin here, and just give it a nice tap on the countertop and crack it on into that extra ramekin, and this helps to prevent contamination in case a shell were to fall in. You're not getting it in the bowl with everything else that you're cooking. All right, so let's add these eggs in, pre-measured. These eggs are our main source of protein in this recipe. Then adding our milk, get that calcium in there. And all our spices are measured out in here to add some flavor and to make these egg muffins more savory. So now we're gonna whisk this up. It's all in the wrist here. Normally, you know, it's whisked well enough when there are bubbles, and this looks about good, just a little bit longer. Okay, and now we're going to be dumping this mixture into our liquid measuring bowl to make it easier to pour into the muffin tins.
So we have it in a liquid measuring cup with a lip, which is going to make it a lot easier to pour. And eggs here are our main source of protein in this recipe. And we just want to fill the eggs to about 2/3 of the way full in the liners, just covering all the ingredients that we previously poured in. Oops. Now that we have filled the liners to about 2/3 of the way full, we're going to pop these in the oven for 20 minutes at 375 degrees, and then they're done.
Thank you so much for watching us cook today. We had so much fun cooking this egg muffin recipe, and we hope you try it at home.